We are at the Wells elevators. These ones I think were added in the 80s.
Maybe replaced, because that door track looks really old.
Oh yeah, the inner door track looks like the late 70s and 80s
Was that kind of
Westinghouse.
modded or something?
That's true. Oh, these go all the way up to 19. Oh wow, these ones are even faster. These go 700.
I got 700.
Get the down shot. Oh, this is neat. Yeah. Oh, it's all vacuum tubes. Like the touch tubes. That's funny.
I think these rubber Otis.
Yeah, right. There's a Medico key switch on there. I wonder if it's like call lockout.
This is still medical.
Yeah. Oh wow, yeah, you're right. Yeah, they occupy a ton of space in this building. Basement's blocked.
It's probably like the Chicago Midwest headquarters.
Yeah, that would make sense. Yeah, and I'm pretty sure the high-rise elevators in the main bank only go 600, so I wonder why these are like really fast.
I'm guessing it's probably different motors.
Oh yeah.
It'd be really cool to look at like a machine room tour here. See all the different
Seriously.
machinery.
Oh yeah, like because there's a ton. All right. That's probably where the panel used to be. Oh, there's a third one. I didn't realize. Anyway, that's it.